Hi everyone, today is January 29th, 2019. It is around 5:30 p.m. and it's a rainy day. I'm about to take you on a walk through one of New York's strangest streets, if you can even call it a street, because this is named Cortlandt Alley. So, Cortlandt Alley is only 3 blocks long. It starts from Franklin Street on the southern end and it ends at Canal Street on the northern end. And contrary to public opinion as seen in the movies and in film, New York City isn't really full of alleyways. They really only shoot a few alleyways over and over, this being one of the main ones. A fun fact, this street where I'm walking on, towards the beginning, there's a service elevator, but actually it's an entrance to a pop-up shop museum that's not open all the time. So this is a one-way street going northbound. There's a small sidewalk. You can see the interesting architecture here. It's kind of like a glimpse into New York's past, with all the fire escapes and the roll down gates and the graffiti. I see a lot of times people coming out here with their cameras and taking Instagram pictures and everything here. If you want to give someone the wrong impression about New York, just take a picture down this alley on a really dark night and people think you're crazy for wandering here. But actually it's pretty safe. So I'm about to walk on the last block of Cortlandt Alley. I'm about to end at Canal Street, where Chinatown's main street is. You can see there's a lot of Chinese businesses here with Chinese characters. There's a broken umbrella there, garbage. Here's a flickering light, which is kind of interesting. Really adds to the atmosphere around here. And towards the beginning of Canal Street, we got this interesting building here. Caution wet paint. Well, it's even more wet with the rain now. Well, that's it everyone. I hope you enjoyed Cortlandt Alley and this ambulance passing by. I hope you enjoyed Cortlandt Alley. It's a very short video, but it really defines New York City as seen in the movies. I hope you tell your friends, your family, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.